In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export a bank statement in Xero step by step. Whether you need it for your accountant, for tax purposes, for audits, or just for your own financial records, exporting your bank statement correctly is essential. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can do it quickly and confidently. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top menu bar. Click on Accounting. A drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, select Bank Accounts. This will take you to a page where you can see all the bank accounts connected to your Xero organization. Now, locate the specific bank account you want to export the statement from. For example, it might be called something like Business Bank Account. Once you find the correct account, click on the blue account name. Make sure you're clicking the name itself and not any other button next to it. This will open up the detailed view of that bank account. After the account page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Reconciliation Report. Go ahead and click on that. This opens a detailed report related to your bank account activity and reconciliation status. Once the report page opens, look at the tabs near the top of the report. You'll see an option called Bank Statement. Click on the Bank Statement tab. This is where you'll be able to generate the actual statement data that you want to export. Now it's time to configure your statement details. First, check the bank account dropdown to make sure the correct account is selected. If you manage multiple accounts in Xero, it's very important to double-check this so you don't accidentally export the wrong statement. Next, choose your date range. You'll need to select the start date and the end date for the statement period you want to export. For example, you might choose the first and last day of a specific month, quarter, or financial year. Take a moment to carefully select the correct dates to ensure your report includes exactly the transactions you need. After setting the correct bank account and date range, click the Update button. Xero will refresh the report and display the transactions that fall within your selected period. Scroll through the report if you'd like to quickly review the data and confirm everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. At the bottom, you'll see an Export button. Click on Export. You'll then be given a few format options to choose from. You can select Excel if you want to work with the data in spreadsheet format. This is great for further analysis or sharing with your accountant. You can choose PDF if you need a clean, professional document for reporting or record keeping, or you can select Google Sheets if you prefer working in the cloud and collaborating online. Simply click your preferred format and the file will download to your computer or open in the selected application. And that's it. You've successfully exported a bank statement in Xero. As a quick recap, go to Accounting, then Bank Accounts. Click the correct bank account name. Open the Reconciliation Report. Switch to the Bank Statement tab. Set your date range, click Update, and finally hit Export to download your file in Excel, PDF, or Google Sheets format. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming Xero tutorials. I regularly post step-by-step guides to help you manage your accounting software more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.